Welcome to First Union Lending. Today we're talking about small business loans in New Orleans, Louisiana. New Orleans is one of the top 10 most visited cities in the U.S. It is known for its distinctive music, Creole cuisine, and Mardi Gras. From the French Quarter to the Garden District, it's the perfect place to enjoy a wild weekend and a great place to own a thriving business. If you're a small business owner in New Orleans, you understand the need to constantly improve, and small business loans can help with that. Let's talk about the top 5 industries in New Orleans and how business loans can support these industries. The healthcare industry is big in New Orleans. New Orleans is home to several healthcare organizations and the BioDistrict, which provides the region with world-class bioscience research and healthcare delivery. Smaller healthcare and health science research businesses are growing in the region, creating an economic impact of $3.3 billion and has created 34,000 new jobs in the area. For this industry, SBA 7A loans are great for general purposes. For expansion, SBA 504 loans are perfect for buying commercial real estate. The tourism and hospitality industry is a staple in the city's economy. Collectively, this industry brings in $5.5 billion and accounts for 40% of the city's tax revenue. For this industry, term loans are a great option if you have gaps in cash flow. Advanced manufacturing is another major industry in New Orleans. In the greater New Orleans region, NASA's Michoud Assembly Facility puts together some of the most significant parts of NASA's Space Launch System. Manufacturing jobs are in such high demand that there are several companies and colleges creating training programs to address the shortage of workers. For this industry, equipment financing can help you purchase or upgrade equipment when needed. Next, let's discuss the international trade industry. New Orleans is the perfect spot for trade within the South and the rest of the world. More than 11,000 vessels go through the lower Mississippi River yearly and transport about 500 million tons of cargo annually. SBA loans can help this type of business develop and expand. Lastly, let's talk about the energy industry. Louisiana is one of the world's leading energy production, processing, and transportation markets. It contains 88% of the country's offshore oil rigs located on the coast. The greater New Orleans region is the operational hub for the state's offshore oil and gas industry. It is home to many growing refineries and plants with billions of dollars in planned expansions. Businesses in the energy sector can support their businesses with equipment loans and SBA loans. Now, let's talk in more detail about the common types of small business loans available to New Orleans. SBA loans. These loans are partly guaranteed by the Small Business Administration. They have extremely flexible rates and terms, as well as strict lending requirements. There are a few different types of SBA loans, including 7A, 504, micro and disaster loans. Business lines of credit. Like a credit card for a consumer, a merchant can pull funds from the line and deposit them in their bank account. Interest is paid only on the money withdrawn. Equipment financing. This financing option is used to purchase necessary business equipment. Your loan term will last as long as the equipment itself does. Business term loans. These loans provide a lump sum to a borrower and are differentiated by the length of their repayment. Invoice factoring. This financing option is best for business owners whose customers are other businesses. You sell your invoices at a discount to a factoring company in exchange for a lump sum of cash. These are just a few of the loan options you have to choose from. While each of the available loans have varying qualifications, lenders will typically ask for the following general information: business operations history, business revenue statements, personal and business credit scores, and collateral if needed. Now, let's discuss some of the advantages of small business loans. You can maintain day-to-day operations, purchase and upgrade equipment, renovate your existing location, or acquire a second location. Add extra staff with top talent to your team. Improve your cash flow by consolidating existing debt into a low monthly payment. How will you make your business stand out in New Orleans? Maybe you'll introduce a new product, renovate your building, or create a new marketing strategy. Whatever the project, you'll probably need extra capital. Instead of searching for a traditional lender with a lengthy application process, choose First Union Lending to provide you with faster funding. Unlike traditional banks, we do not scrutinize you in terms of just a credit score or number of years in business. We take a big picture approach. We want to know what value you bring to the New Orleans economy and how you plan to grow your company. Our loan agency serving New Orleans has had the chance to work with a variety of Louisiana companies, including those in healthcare, food and beverage, manufacturing, retail, and many more. We are all about creating long-term partnerships designed to enhance your business and set it up for success. So, what are you waiting for? Call for a free consultation to help your business grow and become successful.